Okay, the end of another week, Friday, and we're here to see what has been accomplished, or what they've been able to actually finish off. And it's kind of exciting, if you ask me. The first thing that you'll see is going into the office. So can you actually shine it so that I can see behind? So all of the walls, the ceiling, and part of this wall have been insulated so that it's soundproofed, and there's resilient channel on the ceiling. So this is a channel that is suspended. So what will happen is that the drywall will be connected to it, but it's not attached directly to the rafters above, and as a consequence it should be much more soundproofed. And nothing much has changed in here other than we've attached another manifold to the manifold, and we are drawing water that I'm going to turn off right now. We've been running water for more than half the day, and just training the well, getting it ready to actually perform as it should for us. No problems at all, and we're still running at 50 pounds per pressure, 50 psi, I think. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 actually, with the controller that's been set up, etc. And now we're going to go upstairs. Oh, there are bats. I don't think you can see them here until Tricia puts the light on it. But the bats of insulation, rock wool, sitting in the corner. That's what it's called.
Yeah, but that's not the same as upstairs, I don't think.
And how do we turn the lights on again? Oh, don't worry about it. We have to be outside to do that. And again, all of the gables have been completely insulated. So there's insulation all the way up. There's insulation, one layer of insulation on the ceiling. So there's all kinds of pink insulation, and the majority of the insulation on this gable is there as well. Why they haven't finished it above there, I don't know. Not quite sure. Maybe that'll be spray foamed or something. It's a little bit more difficult to get at because it's right above the stairway. Maybe that's the issue. Anyways, the idea with the rest of the insulation is that they're going to blow in insulation into the center core, so that it's going to fill up the rest of the space, and that'll go through the rest of the rafters to right up to the top. And if we go across to the bedrooms, same thing on this side. So the gable end is done, and the ceiling as well. Master bathroom, bedroom. Going into the bathroom. Oh yeah, so they've installed the, I don't know if I've seen this, shown this before, but they've installed the pocket door hardware. So the pocket doors here are the tracks that they're going to run on. And they'll have to be, oh, I guess they're just suspended, aren't they? Anyways, the ceiling has been insulated as well in both sides of the bathroom.
Interesting, they took these off. They're the pot lights that have to go there. But they took them off. to
Right,
do
they'll
this.
reinstall them
Yeah.
in a bit so you can see where the hot wires are hanging down. And there's another one. So there's a controller up in there. Maybe we can show where one. Oh, here's one here. So there's a control wire that you can see right there. And then the controller itself is sitting on the wall above. It's a blue box.
You can see it from here, but
It's sitting above the actual plate itself that the bot light will be actually suspended from. And again, in this bedroom, the gable end has been finished off. This wall has not yet, though. It will need to be insulated as well, because that's an outside wall. And then the ceiling,
pull up at the top, but
Yeah.
not on the inside. Oh, it is
Well,
an outside
just-
wall
just
there.
here.
Yeah, that's right. That is an outside.
here is an outside wall. This is the outside wall from
Yeah.
essentially here
Yeah.
over, because this is where the actual styrofoam, you can see it here, right? Styrofoam ends right there. So the space above it will need to be insulated, and then the thermal wall goes around the outside yet. But this wall will not be insulated. And the ceiling here has also been insulated. So it's complete and ready for blowing in of the insulation above it as well. And apparently that will occur on Monday. So we'll be having the blown in insulation coming in on Monday. And Tuesday, drywallers are supposed to be here. So we'll be having drywall installed at that point.
There's a howling dog out there.
Not sure the microphone would have picked it up. There's still the caps for the roof. And I'm just going to double check
See how this?
that I've turned this
is
off.
rockable.
Just a second. Okay, it's fully off. Yep, sorry.
See the difference? This is rock wool.
Yep,
The pink stuff is not.
right. It's just fiberglass. The rock wool is here to insulate, sound insulate the my office. You walked away.
Sorry.
It became very dark.
Already did the office.
Yep. Great, that's what we've got for now. And I need to install our very, very sophisticated security system, which consists of a number of plywood panels. And that'll be it for today. So we'll talk to you soon.